Right, hi guys, we're actually here at the custom car and bike show down at Colchester football stadium. This is what it's all about. It's the 15th of September, so I thought I'd just show you what's going on here today if you can't make it. Let's have a look at this nice red one. Have a look at the engine. Oh, I like this Dodge. Oh, that's smart. Nice wings. Oh, wow. That's a shocking pink colour. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Wow, look at that. Wow. That's a bit of kit. Oh, that's stunning, that is. I like this one. I like that. Cool. I really like that. That's a really nice motor, that one. Wow. Yeah, this one's a 1952 Cadillac. Bloody smart. So look at this old one, look. What's this? A 1914 Ford Model T. Completely with water leak. Mind you, it is as old as me. There's a dedicated photographer. Little red Corvette. Oh, look at that lovely pickup. See this car here, Ford Zodiac and Zephyr. I learnt to drive in one of these with the old column change. Obviously, I was underage when I was doing it. I just love these Beetles. Here's one for you, Bob Boats. Right, we'll have a little walk through. Quick walk through, guys. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Bugger me, they're all cool. Wow. Eric Booster had one of these without the big engine in. Wow, look at the bloody length of this thing. It's Oldsmobile. 1958. Look at the length of that. Holy crap, how long is that? Whoa. I reckon Rex would like this one. Real American oak decking on this one. Cool. E-type. Look at this one. Right. Right. Is it yours? Do you want it? No. Is it yours? Hey? It is yours. I've always liked them. Wow. Right, here's my mate's van. I'll let him tell you about it. Hello, Richard. So what van you got here?
6 and 8 van.
And what year?
57.
1957. Wow, that's bloody old. And you?
Really old.
And where did you get it from?
South of France, Hadisand in France.
Wow. And you drove it all the way back like this?
Yeah, marvellous.
You're a brave bastard. How about that then? Wow.
Came from Leeds just recently. Was seized, but it's running now. And I'm going to take it for a run in a minute.
That's your little thing here, look. How cool is that? You're going to take this for a run in a minute? Yeah. You're going to start it up?
See if it goes.
Go on then, let's do it. Go on, let's go for it. Go for it, Richard. He's going to start it up. First time it's been started, I think. He's got petrol in it. Oh, hello. Drop it onto the wheel. He's going to pedal like hell, I expect. You're going to pedal like hell to get it going? Go on, Richard, go for it. Go on, go, 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 go. No, I don't think it's going to go. Oh, hang on. It's running. He's got it going. Here he comes, and it actually ran. Wow, well done. Oh, God. That's good, isn't it? I love it. Oh, well, guys, I might as well show you the football ground while I'm here. Here we go. This is the football ground, Colchester Football Ground. It's a brand new one. There's not many bikes here today, but here's a smart chop. I think this is called the Rat Look, isn't it? Let's have a look. How to make something really, really rusty on purpose. I think these are the speedway bikes. Look at that, for how many cylinders? 6?